Hey guys, and welcome as always. I'm going to do a little maintenance on my solar tracker system today, so I thought that you might come with me here. I will have some engine oil to oil all the moving parts. And I also will take a bucket here so I can have all the tools in it. I also take a broom with me so I can raise the panels, because the panels are setting for the winter sun, and now when the sun is getting higher I want to raise the panels up. Okay, let's go out. The weather has been fantastic the last week, so I charged my car and charged my battery to the house and everything works just perfect. And I have still not been on grid since the 1st March. It has been a couple of grey days, but not so grey, so I had to go back to grid. I had to turn off my water heater, but it was not for so long time, so the water was still hot when I turned it on again. Maybe not hot, but it was not cold anyway. Alright, here we are at the first one, and it has been standing here for, if you have seen my earlier video, as I told you there, that it has been up and running now for 8 years. So, and I live near the west coast in Sweden, so it is pretty much salt in the air. So that's why I have a lot of corrosion and stuff on those iron pieces here. But it is a pretty thick metal there, so I don't think there is any danger to the structure or something like that. So I will start with this upper hinge here. And you can see it is pretty dry. And then we take the lower one here. I have to be honest and say that I have not done this in a very long time. So it's really necessary to do this now. And I use engine oil because this penetrates very good, and it also stays a little bit longer than just rust penetration oil. So the best would of course be to take it apart and grease it up really good, but it's really heavy stuff here, so I don't want to remove all the panels just to get grease inside there. And I will stop somewhere around there. And now I am going to loosen this bolt here and this one. Then you can see I have one more hole here. This is for the summer setting and this one is storm setting. So when I use this one, the panel will stay like a mushroom. It's so dry. Well, I'm not really sure if I have used this setting before. To be honest, I think that this is a little too much of an angle, so I think I have to drill a new hole there so I come somewhere between the middle as how it was before. Because as it is right now, it might be as perfect in midsummer, but now it is way too early for this kind of setting, so I will drill a new hole there so I come somewhere in the middle. So let's see what you think. I think that this will be just perfect, and I don't think that I will change that in the midsummer. This will be the setting for the whole summer now. Now it's just to do the same thing with the other one behind here, and it's a little bit harder because it's a lot higher. That went pretty smooth, and I didn't even have to use my broom. I only have that one when I raise the panels up before a storm, so they face flat to the sky. So everything is oiled and running pretty smooth now, so no noise from the hinges like it was before. Great, that will be everything for today. Thank you so much for watching, and if you haven't already, hit the subscribe button, give me a thumbs up, and see you next time. Bye!